Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on your PlayStation 5 Pro. So press the PlayStation button, go on over to your profile, and you can log out. You're a Switch user. So let's go to log out, and then press the PlayStation button, and we want to go over to the left to add a user. Then we can go to where it says Get Started, and you will need an email address and a password at hand to just verify your account and then log in. So we can go to Create Account right here and then select this, and it says please wait, and you got to go through this entire process. So you got to choose your country, your preferred language, and then you got to enter in your date of birth and just make sure you're old enough here. And I'm going to go to 1989 and go to next, and then it says please wait. Then you have to sign in with your email address and your password, so you can just make something up. uh, Make sure you are able to verify your email. So if you just type in some random thing, it's going to allow you to go to the next step, but you're not going to be able to sign in until you verify your actual email address. So we can just type this in at gmail.com. And once we're able to verify it, then we can sign in and we can start playing online. So let me just type this random thing in. This is not a valid email address whatsoever. And then I can just type in a password. So let's do Harry Potter or something like that. Harry Potter um, 59. Harry Potter 59. And you're able to see at the top here. So let me click this and then go to 59. And then we can go to confirm password. And let's just type it in again. And if you don't know this, you can press the right thumbstick and the left thumbstick in at the same time. And you can use the motion control on your controller. A lot easier to type. So you can just move it around and then boom, go to next. And then type in your first name. So we can just type this in, Tim. And then we can just go to the last name and then type in your last name. So let's do this. And then I don't need emails. Let's go to next. And then your postal code. Now you need to make up like a actual postal code here. Otherwise it's not going to work. You can just type some random thing in, see if it works. Okay, so this one works. And then we can go to next. And then choose your icon, avatar, go to next. And then choose your online ID. So there's some suggested ones on the bottom. You can go to refresh for more. So let's look at these. Looks like Gripping Drink 58 will work. And then we can go to next. And then choose your privacy settings. We can just do social and open. And then we can look at those later on and apply that. And confirm and use. If you don't want data collection on, make sure you turn that off. Personalized ads. You can decide if you want this on or off. And then you have to agree to the terms. So make sure you read this all on the left side and go to confirm. And then we're going to actually be signed in. So it looks like we have to do this one more time because we had an error. And it says that email address is already associated with account. So let's go and just try something else. So you're going to be brought to this where you have to go through the process to sign in. And once you do that, you can verify your account and then you should be good to go, actually. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.